Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today's message is in English and it's about an explanation that I would like to provide about HumTalk. Yes, HumTalk with Farina Siddiqui is in Urdu. And a lot of people ask me about why do I speak Urdu in HumTalk and why did I initiate HumTalk in Urdu only. Because Urdu, HumTalk addresses the linguistic needs of millions of Muslims around the world. Urdu is spoken as the first language by 70 million people, predominantly in Pakistan and India, and over 100 million people around the globe, right, altogether. So it's a big crowd. It's a big, large population of Muslims that I would like to address to. And people who like being addressed in Urdu, people who like to listen and read and think about issues in Urdu, they prefer Urdu. So based on the experience that I have, the observations that I have in the community, I started to initiate a vlog in Urdu called HumTalk. HumTalk started back in, I believe, 2011. And since then, I have been sharing it live on YouTube, on social media, like Instagram, TikTok. And I was not, on TikTok and Instagram most recently, but I was on YouTube. So please do join to see and hear older HumTalks on YouTube. And you can also find me on Facebook, so you can reach to those HumTalks. However, I would like to provide a brief background of Urdu language, how it started, how it initiated today through this video. So please read the comments for a larger blog that I have provided with Urdu as the Urdu's background, and also reach out to me if you would like to hear any particular topic that HumTalk addresses in English. I do provide messages with Coffee Talk in English as well. And I do provide another series called Dear Youth. And all my work, all my messages are focused on one thing, Dawa ilallah. Pointing out simple solutions, pointing out simple issues, pointing out simple, Quran and Sunnah based references is my intent here. So may Allah accept it from me, and may Allah forgive me for any shortcomings, and may Allah accept it from you for consistently encouraging me, reaching out to me, sharing your topic ideas with me. Please keep me in your duas. And if you would like HumTalk to be translated in English every single time I speak in Urdu, please do reach out to me. You can drop me a line on Facebook. You can reach to my YouTube. You can reach to my Instagram. You can reach to my TikTok. Or you can simply message me under a comment under any of the postings, inshallah. So keep me in your duas, inshallah. And I hope you can read and understand the background of Urdu. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.